This is the diesel engine fuel injection pump elements. Now these are elements now of the fuel injection pump. Now these are five positions. These are five positions of the element to explain the quantity of the fuel, how it will vary. Now here, if you observe this sketch, now here the helix portion over here, this particular helix portion is extremely on the right hand side over here. In this position, helix position is somewhere over here. Same helix position is shown over here, and this also the same helix position is shown in these two sketches. The figure number 1 and 2 is to explain the helix position of a particular location. Figure number 3 and 4 to demonstrate the helix position of a particular position over here, and so as the helix number figure number 5 to explain the helix position. Now for each sketches over here, this is the inlet port and this is the spill port, and inlet port is connected to the common gathering, which is coming, the diesel is coming from the fuel injection pump. Now this element delivery will be from the top, and that is going to the injector. That I already explained it in my previous video. Now to explain the quantity, how the quantity of the fuel to be injected into a particular cylinder is explained, the position is explained in these particular different sketches over here. This is the location wherein the helix position in this particular location, when the plunger is moving in a restricted motion will be there. So what happens is, the moment the plunger starts moving upward, this particular helix will come in contact with the spill port over here. So whatever the fuel has entered over here from the inlet port over here will be going from here. So with the result, when it reaches to a particular position, when it is in a closed position over here for the inlet port, still the spill port will be in contact with the helix, and the entire diesel which is there in this will be spilled out. So with the result, what will happen is, in this position no fuel will be entering into the particular injector. Now let us come to these three, figure number 3 and figure number 4 to demonstrate over here. In this position of the plunger over here, this is what is the location of the helix position over here. Now what will happen is, as this plunger moves in upward direction, it will, when at this position from the inlet port, the diesel will enter into the common in this particular chamber. Then what will happen, once it has moved upward, it will close. But what will happen after slight upward movement of this particular helix will come in contact with the spill port. So with the result, suddenly the pressure will drop down and the diesel will spill out. So that means what happens is, the quantity will be definitely reduced over here. In this position, no quantity is going to the injector, and in this position, partially the quantity will be going to the injector. Now in the figure number 1 and 2, if you observe it, the location of the spill port over here, and to explain the location of the spill port over here. Now what happens, from the inlet port over here, the diesel will enter when the plunger is at this particular position. So what happens, when it moves and when the inlet port is closed over here, the spill port is also closed, but this particular helix has not come in contact with the spill port. So with the result, the quantity will be more over here. So at what position it will come, when it completely reaches to the top, then only it may come in contact with that. So more quantity of the fuel will be in this position, more quantity of the fuel will be injected. So the quantity of the fuel to be injected will be varying based on the location, or based on the spill port location, and that will be decided by the accelerator pedal which is being operated. So these are different sketches to explain the position of a plunger over here. Now the contact the material for this particular plunger is a steel material, and it is, as I have explained in my previous video, it is a sliding fit is there, and the clearance is very tight clearance between the plunger and the barrel over here. Again I am repeating because this is what is one of the most wonderful thing, wherein the clearance is around 1.5 mu m micromillimeter. To that extent the sliding fit is provided in this. So there is no lubrication provided, though there is a clearance fit is there over here, and then no compression rings, no oil ring, nothing, no additional rings are there. So it will maintain that particular fit over here, and the quantity of the fuel to be injected to a particular injector will be varying over here. So all this variation of the quantity which is going from this particular from this barrel and the plunger is only based on the helix position, this particular helix position. Now this helix, if it comes in contact and it is an inclined it is covering the circumference. This is a cylindrical, entire element is a cylindrical position, cylindrical in shape. So the moment this particular groove comes in contact with the spill port, the diesel will start spilling out, and quantity of the fuel will immediately come down, and the pressure will also come down. So this is how the diesel engine fuel injection pump plunger positioning will vary the quantity of the fuel to be injected into the combustion chamber, and the pressure is however maintained by the movement of the camshaft. The camshaft is there which is operating this particular plunger. So it is there on the cam, and as per the firing order, that cam will lift that, and from there the fuel is going to the particular injector.